How to make YouTube playlist public. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you simply need to move into your application YouTube. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now you simply need to head over to you at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see playlist options right here. Click on this plus icon. Now enter the title to your new playlist. Once you have entered the playlist name, click on this visibility and then select public. Once selected, tap on create. And there you go. The playlist that you have just created is now public on YouTube. You can add as many videos as you want to in this playlist by clicking on add videos, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.